Hi, my name is Christina with the Southwest Florida Water Management District. Today, Debbie is going to demonstrate searching the Water Use Permit WUP database. Once you have completed this video, you'll be able to use various techniques to search for water use permits and applications submitted to the district.
The Water Use Permit database stores records of all applications and permits submitted to the district. To access the Water Use Permit searchable database, from the home page, click on the e-permitting link. Scroll to the bottom of the page to access the application and permit search tools. Click on the Water Use Permit search link. The database can be searched by using one or more criteria, including specific permit information, dates, or location. The Use tab allows you to search by specific uses. The Predominant Use type allows you to search based on a broad predominant use. If you're looking for a specific agricultural use, such as blueberry irrigation, you can expand the agricultural selection, expand irrigation, and select blueberries. Now the Results tab will display applications and permits with blueberry irrigation. To demonstrate another search method, we will search by permittee. By adding Grove, the database will search for all records with the word Grove in the permittee name. As you can see, there are 3,111 records with the word Grove in the permittee name. We can reduce the number of qualifying records by adding more criteria. Now we want to see only applications that were approved. We will also limit our search to 3 counties. By selecting more criteria, we have reduced the number of qualifying records to 315. By default, the maximum records displayed is 300. If total qualifying records exceed 300, the maximum can be changed to accommodate. After clicking Search again, all records in our search are now viewable. Results can be viewed page by page, or View All allows all records to be displayed on one page. The Results view shows various fields that can be viewed by scrolling to the right. Columns can be rearranged by your preference. You can also sort columns by clicking on the field name. Clicking the Save Layout button will save your preferences for this browser session. Clicking the Download Data button will download the displayed results in an Excel format. Clicking on View Details displays the information stored in the record. The Back to Search Results link will take us back to the current search. Clicking Reset will remove all criteria selected and bring us back to the search screen. Now that we have demonstrated various search techniques, we're going to look at the individual record and the additional data that can be viewed within the record. In this example, we are searching for a specific permit. The details of each record are viewable even when viewing multiple results. Permit status will indicate the active permit by displaying Approved. Clicking View Details will display the individual record. The General Info tab displays permit and application information. From any tab, you can download reports on the specific permit, including File of Record Information, 12-month running average pumpage graph, and Withdrawal Pumpage Report. The Withdrawals tab displays information on points where water is withdrawn. Check marks indicate reports or data that are required to be submitted. To view withdrawals that are no longer existing, we can check the box Include Deleted Withdrawals. This gives us a total of 23 withdrawals. By unchecking the box, we are now only displaying the 14 existing. You can view the withdrawals page by page, or View All allows all withdrawals to be displayed. Clicking the Download Data button will download the displayed results in an Excel format. To view information related to a specific withdrawal, click next to the row. Only the highlighted tabs will display information. The check columns above correlate to the tabs that are highlighted. All data stored can be accessed by selecting an annual date range. The data can also be downloaded. Water quality information is defined by the required reports. An annual date range can also be chosen, and the data is downloadable on all tabs. The Use tab displays the predominant use, as well as the use for each withdrawal. The Fees tab displays fee and receipt information. On the Documents tab, documents used during the application, permitting, or post-permitting phase can be viewed here. Documents can be sorted by clicking on the field name. To open a document, you would click on the icon. The document will open in a viewer. You can also select a document and click the Download button, which will allow you to save the document to a local drive. The Map tab allows you to view an interactive map, which opens in a separate window. This displays the district's geographic information system and highlights the boundaries of the water use permit. Using the tools above, you can zoom in, zoom out, or using the hand icon, you can grab the map and move it around.